So I had spent one night in Quartzsite, and I was on my way to Pahrump, but I said, I got this great idea. I said, let me go see if I could go find somebody and say hello to them before I left town. So this is at one of the long-term visitor areas, and look at all the people. Tons of people, man. If you don't know exactly where somebody is, it's going to be very, very hard to find somebody unless they just have like a tremendously unique vehicle that you can spot from a distance. But I had messaged the guy in but it was like, I don't know, it must have been around 7:30 or 8 o'clock or something like that. And so nobody's going to answer a text or a message that early, I don't think. I mean, what are you going to do, you know, wake somebody up and say, where's breakfast? or wake somebody up and say, come on, let's have a beer. Let's have that beer we said we were going to have together. Yeah, right. Nah. You have to do that kind of stuff in the afternoon. Now, I understand that that's a nice place to camp out. You know, lots of space here. Too many people for me, though. But they do have restrooms, pit toilets and stuff. And it's close to town and stuff. Everybody likes it. But how do you guys all feel about that? They're trying to pass the rule where they jack up the price up to $600 from what they usually pay. They usually pay like $180 for 6 months, and that's going to possibly go up to $600. I don't know, man. That's quite a big jump right there. That's like, what, 3 times the amount. So I don't know. They're probably going to lose a lot of people, or the other thing, if they think they'll lose a lot of people and they won't renew and stuff, then they should probably maybe hike it up slowly, you know, and not so much, you know, like if it's 180 now, what would be fair? To go up to 200, 225, you know? I don't know, because I wouldn't consider camping there for 6 months myself, but there's a lot of people there, you know, and they go back every year, and you know, and I know a lot of you out there that do that. So let me know in the comments down below, what would you do, and do you think that's fair? Do you think it's unfair? What do you think the price should be, man? But yeah, I don't know. I think the alternative, they'll just go to other places, you know, that don't charge as much. That's what I'm thinking. Unless they, you know, do a general sweep over the area and raise the prices everywhere, you know. I doubt if that will happen. I think that's just these long-term visitor areas. And this is the beginning of it right here, the front gate or the way out also. Anyway, that's my thoughts about it all. And the guy that I was going to see was the Dan Van.